Hello, everyone. Welcome to a Beer Train Reviews unboxing, an ultimate unboxing of the Norseman Beard Products. Each and every one of us has a different Norseman Beard Products product. I have the bomb, and what do you lads have?
I've got oil, and I think I got some other goodies in here.
I got the deodorant.
I got the butter.
I don't know because I haven't opened mine yet.
Well, you know what?
Well, there you go.
What you requested.
Deodorant. I send me whatever. I didn't pick.
But you already have a lot of the Norseman stuff, right, Tyson?
Yeah.
I guess, how about we just go all at once, huh? And then we'll give some scented impressions, we'll give some packaging impressions, and then we'll talk about what's going on this here week in terms of, discount codes, giveaways, and...
Yeah, I had a head start on mine. I unboxed the box inside of a box.
So it's a box inside of this brown. Oh my God.
I thought I was going to be able to do it with my hands. I was sorely mistaken.
Put the salad here.
The struggle is real.
Yeah, I gotta start doing so one of my kids can pick up this mess.
Tell me what you guys are seeing, because I'm almost there.
It's like watching a bunch of grown men on Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
There you go.
There we go.
Old men unbox things.
Ooh.
Yeah, the owner, Terry, he's a great guy.
Very nice.
Yeah, he's only been doing this for a couple of months, so it's kind of neat to work with a smaller company this month. But before he put anything on the market to sell, he sent me some stuff behind the scenes a couple of different times. I was able to give him some feedback before he opened up to the public. So I think he sent me a couple extra things because of that relationship we've already built. But I see some butter, and I got an oil. Looks like I've got an oil, a balm, and a butter. I've got the Baldur's blend. It's got, I think he only had 3 different scents when I was working with him before, and now he's got like 13 or something. And blue is my favorite color, guys, if y'all didn't know that.
I think he's in the process of changing.
Good to know.
Ooh, that smells good.
What scent did you get there, Patrick? What scent did you get?
I got the Thor's blend.
Do you know what that is?
The cherry, tobacco, and rum.
Oh, yeah. I almost got that one, except I've had cherry.
Oh, man, does that smell good.
So I got the Baldur's blend, which is also tobacco. This one's Cuban tobacco, black fig, and honey. So I never had anything with black fig or honey in it, so I thought I would try that one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's good. That's nice and rich, a little bit sweet. I like it.
I got the unreleased co-wash.
Nice.
Nice. So he's coming out with a co-wash. This is just past testing and getting into my hands here. So you got the classic blue bottle that Norseman does. 4-ounce bottle here. And to me, it smells like citrusy peppermint.
Nice.
I don't know if it's any sense. I think this is brand new, like for the co-wash. But I know he's in the process of redoing his label, so I think by the end of the month we'll probably have new branding from Norseman, which I've seen the new labels and they look pretty hot.
Oh, is he coming out with some new labels?
Yes.
That's cool. I also got the balm in the same thing, and his balm now smells like the oil. When I first tried it a long time ago, it smelled kind of buttery and waxy, and it was gritty at the time. And now it's smooth as everything. Ooh, that's a nice little bit above medium, it looks like, on the hold, which is cool. What have you got up there, Kaz? Or have you opened it?
I myself have the I have the Fields of Asgard here, and I've just been entranced smelling this. Like it's almost as if Terry knows me. I absolutely love strong scents. Lemongrass. I have actually a diffuser back there behind me. Lemongrass is one of my favorite scents, and my God, the vanilla comes through really, really nice. The lemongrass is not too overpowering, but I love the amount that he has in it. Definitely smell the shea butter. I would say it's definitely vanilla, lemongrass, shea butter dominant. Bomb here, very, 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 very tough, right? Not creamy whatsoever. But then once you get it with the thumbnail here, oh, if I can aim.
It's pretty smooth once you get it in your hands. Isn't it?
Yeah.
One of these picks.
And then it kind of breaks down like that. That's kind of neat. All right.
I happened to get, he also sent me the butter, and it's on the Fields of Asgard scent, so we can compare notes on that. It's definitely lemongrass and a little kind of smooth vanilla something are in it. It says it's bergamot, vanilla, lemongrass, and eucalyptus, just to let you know there, Ken.
So I got the same scent in the deodorant. I'm getting very much like citrus, pine, and mint kind of note.
Okay.
So I don't know if
we got deodorant. Yay.
I'm actually excited about it because I started with I tried some all natural deodorant with a different company. It's not scented though, and I just wanted to see I just want to try some more out and see what they do. The ones that you buy in the department store tend to give you a rash after a while, so I'm interested to see more of these like all natural deodorants. So kind of excited about it.
Yeah, Joey said the Fields of Asgard reminds him of lemon cake, and I can kind of get that. That's good.
That's pretty accurate, I would say.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I think that's going to be good for nighttime because I got it in the butter, so I can use it at night.
Yeah.
His butter, by the way, guys, does have shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, arrowroot, and beeswax. So it does have a little bit of beeswax in it. So it's got a little bit of give to it there. It's not super duper light. It doesn't look like it's whipped either on the butter. I can't tell. It's pretty
I
smooth.
think he does a special process on the butter what he calls a special process on the butter that it's kind of between whipped and non-whipped, more towards the non-whipped side. Like it's not fluffy.
Yeah, it's not super fluffy and super light. So I actually kind of prefer that. I don't like the. I feel like I'm getting more out of the container when it's a little bit denser, kind of the half whipped kind of thing.
Yeah, I don't like whipped.
Yeah.
Patrick's just going to keep it up at his nose the whole time.
Oh, that smells great.
You're the Fields of Asgard too, huh?
Patrick got, what'd you get, Patrick? You got
The Thor's blend.
Oh, Thor's blend.
Thor's blend, yeah.
Like when you open the container, you get the rum's real dominant, but when you warm it up, that cherry tobacco like pops.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I'm starting to smell what you were smelling too earlier, Mick. The citrus is really coming through now.
Yeah.
For sure. But yeah, then it also.
Any vanilla at all in this?
What's that?
I don't smell any of the vanilla at all in this.
Oh, in this right here, I definitely smell a really nice, rich vanilla coming through. That's really nice. Wow. All right. So what kind of stuff do we have coming up this month for Norseman?
Well, we're all going to be doing our individual reviews coming up in, what is that, 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, so during that week, we'll have a different review each day on our individual channels. And then we're going to have a live stream at the end of the month, I'm sure. We got to get to Terry and see if what kind of giveaways and stuff we might be doing.
Yeah, there probably will be giveaways, no promises, but there usually is. And the live stream is either going to be on the 28th, 29th, 30th, or 31st. It's going to be one of those days, and it's likely going to be at 8 p.m. One of those days. So keep your eye out for that. Hopefully we're going to have a great time. It's just us chilling out. It's us talking about, giving our informed opinions on these. Right now, it's just been scents, first impressions, and things of that nature.
And we're going to have probably probably a huge discount code. I would imagine that's kind of what we do with the beard trends here. But we had somebody lined up that kind of fell through, so Terry so graciously stepped in for the last minute to get this. So we just haven't figured out giveaways, discounts, and stuff yet. But we'll get with Terry and get it all figured out before the live stream at the end of the month.
Excellent.
So if Terry's watching, I just wanted to say thank you for, I mean, this was obviously very rushed. He was able to get it out to all of us, especially like Kaz, and you were in Canada. It takes like 2 weeks to get anything. So I think it came a lot quicker than that. So thank you for taking the time to do that for us and stepping in kind of last minute. So thank you for that.
Definitely. Thank you, Terry. We're going to enjoy it this month. I can tell already.
Absolutely.
Really good.
Yeah. Yeah. Any closing statement, lads?
I have a question or a statement.
Yeah,
I'm super excited to see what Norseman's products do to Brian's streak, because Terry has a white beard. So I'm interested to see how that streak looks at the end of the month.
I'm sure it'll be looking white.
A little whiter, yeah.
Yeah, even whiter, and it's going to really pop. I'll make sure to message Terry and ask him about what he does special for to take care of the white beards. Let's see, the oil, it's almost clear. It's just a little bit off, a little bit yellow, but not much. So that's not really going to do anything. The wax or the balm's white. So I'm interested to see about that co-wash there, Tyson, that you got.
Yeah, so am I. I'm really interested in the co-wash because I've tried Terry's oil, I've tried his balm, I've tried his butter. I have not tried the deodorant, but and then the co-wash is new, so I'm really interested to try out this co-wash and see.
How thick is it?
It's pretty runny.
Is it pretty runny?
Yep.
Which it'll be easier to get through your beard.
Yeah, and it's kind of labeled as a medium wash and conditioner. But he says right on here you can use it every day. So it says beard co-wash, medium wash, and conditioner. So I don't know exactly what category it's in. It looks more like a wash in the bottle. But I mean, we'll see how it leaves the beard. That's the important part at the end of the day. How does it leave the beard feeling?
Yeah, that might be a nice during the week kind of, you need a little mild cleanser kind of thing. It's not too rough on your beard.
Yeah, it might be one of these all-in-ones, as I like to call them, that where you can use every day, but they don't strip it too terribly much, and they still leave it feeling good.
Kaz, when's the big trim? I want to know that before we get off.
It is officially 2 weeks from now.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm very excited. It's going to be a big reveal, big barbershop trim, and I'm very, very excited. There's surprisingly 5 inches of beard under here, but it's really just tucked under. But
you just got it swirled around there underneath.
Yep. Oh yeah. She's under there.
Are the ingredients listed on the co-wash?
Water, preservatives, essential oils, coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, olive oil, castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, hemp oil, vegetable glycerin, gargum, propylene glycol, diazoledonyl urea. Let's see.
Sounds painful.
Yeah, right. You're right. Butyl carbamate. And that's it.
Gotcha. You did an excellent job with your reading skills.
Yeah, thank you.
You get an A+ in reading today.
That's the teacher himself.
Anybody else have anything to say before we get off?
Most definitely join our Facebook group, Beard Trends, on Facebook, of course. If you want to be more in the loop in terms of, when we're going to be doing our live stream, when we're going to be releasing our reviews. This week we're going to be better about the Facebook group because we haven't been so good about it. But so hopefully we'll see you guys there. And I personally am good in terms of things to say. Everyone else?
Good.
So
Hey.
Kaz, Kaz is going to be like Monday, Brian Tuesday, Patrick's Wednesday, on Thursday, Mick's Friday.
Yeah.
Yes.
That sounds good to me.
That's the order, folks. There's the order.
Excellent. Yeah. On the week between the 21st and the 25th. So there you go.
There you be.
All right.
Plus, we'll all post on our Instagram. So have a great day.
Thanks, guys.
So, guys, thanks for joining.
Good one, guys.
Check out
Bye-bye.
Norseman.